Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I'm going to actually unbox two items which I bought during this online sales recently. Well, you may leave your comment down there. Let me know what you have bought. I bought these two items during the latest online sales. Now before I unbox it, I wish you to spend 3 seconds of your time to actually subscribe to my channel and press on the bell button so that you get notified of my new video, and it's free. Press on the thumbs up after watching the video, right? Now, to start off with, let me unbox this smart car charger. Now, this is a 12-watt charger, it's considered smart charger, and it is not just a charger, it comes with a detector. They were able to tell me where I've parked my car. So this is how it looks like at the back. You need to download the apps. It has won 2 awards here, 2016. I just bought it online recently. So this is how it looks like, the packaging. Right, this came off the box. It comes with 2 sides and then an LED indicator up here. I'll put it in the box. I will test it in a car later. And just before that, I will also unbox the ZUS Smart Vehicle Health Monitor, right? Push it out. So what it does is it will able to detect engine health monitor, and it will able to tell you of your car mileage and also what are the issue, the error code, right? So let's see. Wow. Before that, I wish that you were able to subscribe to my channel, press on the bell button so that you get notified of a new video, and thumbs up after watching my video. And this is how it looks like. This tiny plug, you need to look for your OBD2 connector in your vehicle. Any vehicle being produced after 1996, they should have a connector like this underneath the driving side, underneath the steering wheel, right? Look for this icon underneath. I'll show you where is it in my vehicle. Let's go. Oh. Start off with, plug it in. Oh, we have light comes out. Oh, right. It's connected. Then I need to download the apps. And then so to test out using my Apple Watch, I've downloaded this app called ZUS. It connected to my phone via Bluetooth. So I can just use my mobile watch, my Apple Watch, to tell me of my vehicle where it's being parked earlier. So it's roughly 200 feet. I use feet so that I can count the feet. If I do not want to drain my watch battery, I can still use the mobile phone screen to tell me the location of my car. And then at night time, this is how it looks like. I have this elegant shine to tell you, where's the hole for USB, supported dual side. Each of these ports support maximum up to 4.8 ampere. So you can charge your iPad, you can charge your battery, power bank, okay? And at the same time, it tells you of your location. This is something important. There are more features, it seems. So I can tell you straight away, there are more features. The third feature would be tells you of your vehicle battery. When it falls less than 12.12 volt, then you get notification. I think you need to check these apps to tell you notification. Okay, I think there are lots of benefit for having this smart car finder and dual USB card charger. Right, this is how it looks like, the interface. In the past few days, the car battery voltage. And if I install only this smart vehicle health monitor at the OBD2 port underneath the fuse, normally this is where the location of OBD2 port located, then I'm limited to only the location of my vehicle and what are the issues that my car is currently facing. You scan and how many items are fine, and no need to worry about any issue with the sensor, oxygen sensor, etc. Now the problem with my vehicle is it is not a digital display. We are using analog display here. So my Proton Persona, I tested on my V Lucky Bass version. They are all using analog display. So therefore it does not support odometer. So it's not really useful here for me, for my case. So whether should you buy one or buy both is up to you. Which one to buy is also up to you. But at least I've tested out for you in this video. I've tested out one by one. Now, first time watch video, kindly subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. Press on the bell button so that you get notified of my new video. And I appreciate your thumbs up for my effort for testing it out for you so that you can make a better decision which one to buy. Until then, stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.